Good morning, Agent. Welcome aboard the Liberator. As you may have seen by now, this car floats, but on pressing the left mouse button, the car will turn into a submersible vehicle, allowing you to navigate below sea level. As your next mission will be underwater, my team has decided to modify the Century 300 Atlantique with a few gadgets and a bay for oxygenators and generators for your mission. Let's see if you can go back to the aircraft carrier by passing through these pipes. Be careful not to damage the car. You should be fairly close to the ship by now. When you want to go back up, press the right mouse button. The vehicle will transform back into a car and quickly emerge from the depths. I advise you not to use this feature if you'd like to sneak around. We mostly designed it for safety purposes. Well done, Agent. I hope this vehicle will suit your needs. I'll inform you when my team has more special gadgets for you in the future. Good luck out there.